give you guys a little hotel room tour. Boom. Got a microwave. Check this out. West Elm, baby. What's up? Messy. Don't mind this. Don't mind this. Bathroom. Bam.
Dude, I feel like
Nice shower.
Smells.
Smells fine. Let's check this view out. Ooh. Pretty dope. Wonder if there's any alligators inside. Yeah, the penguin exhibit is definitely well worth your money. It is. You're close up with penguins. You get to pet penguins. You get to learn about penguins, and it's in a small exclusive group. I don't know if that's only during COVID or this period of time, but so worth it. So worth it.
And all that. So, I'm.
Cut. What time is it?
Wait, I'm like, you know me.
It's 9 o'clock right now. Park opened an hour ago.
Say 20.
Today we are going to Animal Kingdom. Look at that, she's super excited. She put on her red lipstick. She wants to show you guys. And we are gonna, I guess, see more animals. We love to see animals. That's why we decided to go to SeaWorld and Animal Kingdom.
Oh my god, we finally have time to tell you guys of the whole experience at SeaWorld today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the whole trip here, it's been 2 days. Nobody checked temperatures at all.
Let's go.
It's been 2 days and
Let's go.
nobody checked temperatures at all.
Let's go.
So today we're going to Animal Kingdom. Let's see if they check temperatures. I'm going to show you animals. Going to show you Africa, Avatar, Asia, Discovery Island. Let's go. Boom. Breakfast time. Alright, just came back from Animal Kingdom. Wow, it was extremely hot today. My shoulders, I don't know if you could see, but it's burnt. Burnt shoulders. It was super hot today. They don't sell Fast Pass, and unfortunately the wait is very long. Very tiring day after yesterday's long day at SeaWorld. Tonight we're gonna go eat Bahama Breeze. We don't have this in New York, so we're gonna try it out. Let's go.